this guide, we're going to be going over how you can make bots play each other here on chess.com on both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but let me save you some time up front. There's no automatic way to make bots play each other here on chess.com. However, there is a manual workaround and I'm going to show you exactly how you could do it. And essentially what you're doing is running two bot games at the exact same time and manually copying the moves between them. So what you're going to want to do is begin by opening up two browser tabs or two app instances here on mobile. In the first tab, go ahead and just hover over this little play tab right here, and then go ahead and select play bots and choose whatever bot you want. For example, we'll go ahead and keep this one on right here. On this second tab, go ahead and open it up again, but this time hover over play and select play bots and choose a different bot here in this game. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is when the bot makes a move here in tab 1, go ahead and go over to tab 2 and just copy that exact same move. After that, go back to the previous tab and just keep repeating the exact same process. And it's going to take a little bit of time, but it is a good way to make two bots play each other just like that. So just keep in mind, this will work on both PC and mobile. It's just not going to be automatic, and you're essentially acting as the middleman between the two bots. Unfortunately, chess.com just does not currently support bots playing each other directly. This is literally the only way to do it. If this guide did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.